Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'll be showing you guys how to make affordable, budget-friendly press-on nails. Now I've been wearing press-on nails for a couple years now. Just recently I actually started painting my nails. I would normally do the Kiss press-on nails that you would probably get at like Target, Walmart, at your beauty supply store. But just recently I started to actually do my own. Now I did purchase this from Amazon and they have so many nails in here. Like, I don't think I will ever buy any more press-on nails for at least a year. This has a lot of nails in it and I get to like style them. I get to like create whatever design that I want. And the rest of the items that I use in this video that you're gonna see is I got from the dollar store. So everything was $1. The fake nail polish, fake nail clipper, all of that was $1. I normally have nail glue. I normally get that from Target or Walmart, you know, one of those stores or whatever, but it's no more than like $4. So I wanted to bring this video to you guys because I know a lot of people are, you know, just getting over the press-on nails. But for me, it's always gonna be a go for me because I don't really wear nails a lot. I only wear them when I'm like shooting or if I'm going out of town. In this video that you're seeing, I'm actually going out of town for like 2 weeks, so I figured I would just go ahead and put these nails on. And so I'm going to show you how to apply them, how to design them, and I hope that you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. All right guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. So these are the nails that I purchased from Amazon. I've always purchased this kind of package here. I have a nail cutter, a filer, nail glue. I have Dollar Tree fingernail polish that I'm actually going to be using in this tutorial, and I have a filer, and you can also use a regular fingernail clipper. With these actual package that I purchased from Amazon, they come in a variety of sizes, so they're numbered, and you get to actually pick what size works for your nail. Now this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just fitting them on my nail just to see which ones look as natural as possible before I actually, you know, start designing what type of nails that I want. This package is really great to use because if you mess up, you do have another one, you know, to keep working on. So this package is really great to have if you're just like a beginner and you're just, you know, trying to like, you know, do something quick. This package definitely works for you, and you can get a lot of nails done throughout this package. It normally lasts me about a year. I don't actually wear nails a lot, only when I'm like shooting or if I'm like out of town. I'm doing these actual nails because I'm actually heading out of town for 2 weeks. So I decided to just go ahead and do something quick here. So I decided to go ahead and get these actual nails, put these nails on. Okay, so I have all the nails that actually fit on my nail and actually looks natural. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to start painting them. I decided to go with like a pink color because it is summer and I love pink. So I went with the actual pink color here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the nail clipper here and I'm going to hold it with the at the top of the actual nail, and then I'm going to actually start painting the nail. You don't actually have to do this step. You can actually just paint them you can put them on and paint them. But I find that this method actually helps me because I actually I don't like long fingernails, so I actually cut them at the end. So the top is not really going to matter to me. And I like for them to actually have time to dry. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm applying the nail polish first. And then I'm going to go over it with another coat. And then I'm going to finalize it with a clear coat. Alright, so all the nails are dry now. I let them dry like 24 hours, so we're on to the next day. And I'm getting ready to glue the nail on. Now, you can glue them on, you can place the glue on your fingernail, or you can place the glue on the actual nail. Sometimes I do it on the nail, sometimes I do it on the actual on my nail. This time I'm actually gonna take it and put it on the actual nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and push down, make sure that it's all the way in there. Push down here. Now these nails are super long, so I'm definitely going to clip them, make them shorter because I just kind of like natural nails, and I just want them a little shorter than what they are. So I have them all on the nail now, and so I'm gonna head over to my next finger here, and I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get them all on, and then I'm gonna actually go ahead and cut them down and then file them, and then voila, we're gonna have the finished nail press-on nails here. So stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start cutting these right now. So I'm taking my nail cutter and I'm cutting them as short as possible as I can get them. And then I'm gonna shape them up and file them, and then we're gonna be done.